What do you do if the girl you're talking to, or the girl you're interested in, or the girl you like, it's a girl that you have interest in, but you know she has a lot of male orbiters or a lot of guys she's talking to, because maybe she's really hot, maybe she's really attractive, and you know a lot of guys want her, and a lot of guys are chasing and pursuing her very hard. And so here's the one mistake that most guys make right off the bat. They think that they have to do more than the other guys. They think that they have to be doing something different than the other guys, and that they need to stand out. So they try really hard to set up these crazy dates, or they try really hard to buy her things or hang out with her, or they try really hard to call her and FaceTime her, and they think, oh, I'm gonna FaceTime her every night, I'm gonna play 8-ball pool games with her, and I'm gonna play little couple games with her, and she's gonna value my attention and time and appreciate my time and attention way more than the other guys. And to all the guys who learn the hard way, they realize that sitting there talking to those girls on FaceTime, calling her every night, texting her every single day, isn't helping you. Doing her homework isn't helping you. And then you end up turning to the gay male best friend, and you end up turning into another male orbiter, and then she hits you with the, it's not you, it's me. When you
stop the cap,
somehow build up the confidence and you build up the balls to tell her that you like her. Before you guys can continue watching this video, I just want to quickly interrupt you guys and let you guys know we have the official Alphas Only Club drop coming soon with embroidered clothing. Look at this shit, guys. Come on. Super fucking dope. White. This is the white on white. Right now I'm wearing the black on black. Super fucking slick, guys. Come on. Every single time I see you guys cop some merch, I know, okay, dope. These guys are enjoying the videos. These guys are enjoying what I have to make and what I have to say. This is the black on black. We have the white on white. We also have the black with the gold and white lettering. We also have the white hoodie with the gold and black lettering, all embroidered, super nice. So if you guys want to do more flashy, go with that. If you want a more essential fit, this you can wear all the fucking time. Super badass hats we have on the website coming soon. Super fucking high quality. Look at that shit, boys. Come on. You know what's even more badass? You can put your own patches on. Make sure you guys go on the website. May 5th, everything's gonna be releasing. Very fucking exclusive, okay? I only want it for the fucking boys who really want to rep the merch. So, May 5th, get ready, boys. I'll see you there. The biggest simp things that I've done in the past as well, and many other guys, they see in the movies that the guy builds up so much confidence, he becomes so brave, he tells the girl he likes her, which is something you guys should never do. Until all the guys learn the hard way, once again, you guys realize that doing this never fucking works, and it will never work. Ever. So what does work? Let's say you do have a girl that you have interest in, and you know she has some level of interest in you, but she has a lot of guys she's talking to. What do you do? So the best thing that you could do is you have to remember, the guy who cares the least and tries the least is the guy who will always win. And now why is that? The guy who cares the least about the girl or whatever's going on, he doesn't care about the other guys, he doesn't care at all, is the guy who's always going to win. He doesn't see anyone else as competition. He doesn't really care about what the girl does or was with the other guys. He doesn't care at all. And that's what makes him stand out, is he could care less if she was in his life or not in his life. He could care less. He could also care less if that girl was talking to other guys or not talking to other guys. He could care less. And that's exactly why girls want him. I don't really care because, you know, you're not my priority. You're not my girlfriend. Why should I care? That's exactly what girls are attracted to. Remember, girls are like cats. The cat is always going to go to the person who is either allergic to cats or trying to avoid cats. It's funny how that works. But then you see the guy who loves cats, tries chasing the cat around, tries petting the cat, and the cat always runs away. It avoids the guy. They come and they go. Remember, they're like a wave, right? So their emotions are like a roller coaster. It goes up and down. Their interest goes up and down, up and down. 1 second, she's really interested in you, wanting to FaceTime and call you. A day later, she's talking to other guys. And she's not texting you at all. Then maybe one day she hits you up again, and it keeps going. And it's just like that. It's a very simple thing. So what guys don't understand is girls are gonna give you a lot of attention, and then when they stop giving you attention, the guys are like, oh my god, I need to go do something. I need to text her. I need to blow up her phone. I need to FaceTime her. I need to make sure everything's okay, because they're insecure and they're fearful. And it's not natural to be insecure, and it's not natural to be fearful. And girls can sense when you're being fearful, because you're not texting the girl because you truly love her and you appreciate her. You're texting and calling the girl because you're fearful of losing her to another guy. And girls can sense that right away. So once you start to realize, oh wow, you know, every single time I was so fearful of losing the girl, I texted her and I called her because I was fearful of losing her. Not because I loved her. It's because you were fearful of losing the girl to another guy. So you felt like you had to do something to stop it. That's where you turn the girls off. That's where you chase the cat right away. Do not be fearful and do not care if she talks to other guys, because you have to understand that your competition will eliminate themselves. Let your competition, let the other guys do those things. Let the competition worry about you and the other guys, and let them blow up her phone and call her and text her. Let them make all these dates to go hang out, and guess who she's gonna be really wanting to go out with in the end? It's gonna be you. At the end of the day, it's always going to be like this. I have a few stories on my podcast where I talk about this all the time. You know, I was in a setting where there was 1 to 2 girls with a room of 20 to like 25 guys. All the guys were hitting on that one girl because she was the most attractive girl, fairly attractive. And a lot of guys wanted her. A very simple thing. And I was the only guy to not give her attention, not talk to her, not please her, not get on my hands and knees to go be around her. But when she came to me, she came in my bubble, she came in my orbit, I let her in. But when she wanted to just walk away and talk to other guys, I totally let it happen. So I gave her the ability to come and to go as she pleases. Because guys, they're going to be very clingy, very emotional. They're going to try holding on to the girls if they're very insecure and fearful. So by me doing the opposite, which was, it's great to see you, it's great for you to come and talk to me, I'm also totally okay with you leaving and going to talk to other people as well, because I'm doing the same thing. I don't mind. I'm going out and talking to other girls. Like, I don't care, right? And that's what's so beautiful, is you just let them come and go. If you want to have success with all women, you have to have the ability to not care. Because remember, whoever cares the least has the most power. And the quickest way to get someone's attention is by removing yours. Great fucking line. The quickest way to get someone's attention is by removing yours. Think about that. Every single time a girl left you unread or ghosted you, you're like, oh, whoa, what the heck? Every single time you did that to a girl, you ghosted her or left her unread, the girl ends up calling you or texting you or blowing up your phone. And it's like, whoa, what the heck? Now you guys are starting to see, oh, this is making sense now. This is how women work. Women don't like being chased and pursued. They like doing the chasing and pursuing at their own pace, at their own level of comfortability, right? So if you guys want to be able to have success with these women who have a lot of male attention, you need to be the guy who is not being her pleaser. You're not putting her on a pedestal. You're not chasing and pursuing her. So pleasing, as in, hey, who wants to go do this for me? Oh, I'll go do this for you. She'll literally post on her Snapchat, who can do my homework? Oh, I could do your homework. Let the beta male simps do that, okay? Let the beta male simps eliminate themselves from the whole process. Because an alpha male doesn't have competition. The only competition is himself at the end of the day. Second thing is, you are putting her on a pedestal compared to every other girl. You're treating her differently from all the other girls because she's the hottest. She's the most attractive. She's the nicest. Whatever. You have to treat all girls the same. And by doing so, girls will be able to tell, wow, this guy, even though I know how hot I am, he still treats me like I'm an average girl. Right? Curiosity kills the cat. She's going to be wondering and curious about why you treat all girls the same. And she can respect and value your time and appreciation way more than the other guys, because she knows he doesn't just give it away to girls who are hot. He gives it away to certain specific people who value and appreciate his time and reciprocates it. The girls are going to value it way more than the guy who's like, oh, you're the hottest girl, or you're the nicest, oh, I like you so much, so I'm going to do everything for you. It's the complete opposite. And girls don't respect that guy. Girls don't value that guy. And girls will never, ever respect or value those guys. They just don't. They waste those guys' times. So, and also with chasing and pursuing, you need to let her come to you at her own pace. You need to let her call you, text you, and when she does those things, you have to assume that she wants to see you. That's what you always assume. When a girl ever calls you or texts you, asks you a question, you always have to assume it's because she wants to see you. And it's a great opportunity for you to set the date on the phone and get off the phone. That's it. Girl texts you, hey, hi, what are you doing? How's your day going? Hey, it's great to hear from you. When you're free to get together. Oh, I'm free Saturday. Great. I'll come pick you up and we'll go out to the beach. Very simple, right? It's super simple. So everything I'm telling you guys, I've learned from the hard way. I've learned the easy way, I've learned the hard way. The hard way, I learned that chasing and pursuing women that have a lot of male attention, they'll always go for the guy who cares the least and tries the least and doesn't waste his time sitting on the phone. And the guy who has options as well. Those guys have options because they're doing it with all girls. And that's why it works. Remember, girls are competitive. And then I learned the easy way. Oh, I'm going to do what that guy does. And it started working for me. And it still works for me. And it's going to continue to keep working because this is how women operate. This is the purpose of feminine and masculine energy working together. Feminine energy is all about chasing, pursuing, nurturing, and caring. Masculine energy is about focusing on your mission and purpose. So if you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys go check out these sweet mugs on alphasonlyclub.com if you guys want to support the whole movement of Alphas Only Club. Another thing, guys, make sure you guys share this video with your friends and like and comment, because YouTube is going to suppress my videos, obviously, because they obviously don't like what I have to say. So share this video, like and comment anything you want. And if you truly feel like I'm changing your guys' lives, you guys could set up a phone call with me, or you guys could donate to the podcast. I'd appreciate a lot if you guys go listen to the podcast. It's free on my website, free on Spotify, free on Apple, free on Anchor. Go listen to it. I guarantee you guys will enjoy it. I'll see you guys next time.